Is your PC running as fast as it could be? Did you know that RAM memory speed can have a massive impact on your gaming performance? It's surprising how many gamers neglect this crucial aspect of their setup, focusing solely on their GPU and CPU. But what if I told you that there is a possibility that you are using only 70% of your CPU speed? Changing your RAM clock speed could be the missing piece to unlocking the full potential of your gaming experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your RAM speed and how to ensure that it's running optimally for the best possible gaming performance. Don't miss out on this game-changing information, stick around and let's get started. Let's start with an example. Imagine using RAM with a speed of 2133 MHz compared to 3600 MHz on a system with a powerful CPU and GPU. With 2133 MHz RAM, a game might run at an average of 100 frames per second in a particular game with medium settings. However, with 3600 MHz RAM, we could see an improvement in the average FPS, possibly reaching 130 to 140 FPS in the same game with the same settings. This difference in FPS can be crucial for gamers seeking a smoother and more responsive gaming experience, especially in competitive gaming. Here's the catch: very often, after building a PC, RAM runs at stock speeds, and adjusting it in the BIOS to the XMP profile is necessary for optimal performance. This can easily be overlooked, and many people are unaware of the importance of their RAM speed. So, in this video, I'll not only show you how to check your RAM speed, but also how to make sure it's running at its optimal speed for the best gaming performance. I will cover using Task Manager, Command Prompt, and Hardware Info 64 as a powerful tool to get detailed information about your PC parts. First, I will show you how to check the speed of your RAM in Windows 11 using two different methods: the Task Manager and the Command Prompt. Both of these methods can help you access essential system information, including details about your RAM. First method, we will use Task Manager. You can find it right-clicking on Windows icon and choose Task Manager, or press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at the same time to open it. Once the Task Manager window is open, click on the Performance tab, which you can find in the left sidebar. Then click on the Memory section in the left pane. The right pane will display details about your RAM, such as the slots used, form factor, and the speed of the RAM. This speed shows the actual speed that Windows is using your RAM. Second method, using Command Prompts. To check your RAM speed and other details using the Command Prompt, press the Windows plus S key to bring up the Windows search menu. Type Command Prompt or CMD in the search bar and then click on Run as Administrator to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command that shows on screen and press Enter. This command is in the video description, so you can easily copy it and paste in Command Prompt. This command will display a variety of information about each memory module installed on your computer, including the device locator, manufacturer, part number, serial number, capacity, speed, memory type, and form factor. The speed will be shown in megahertz. Examine the output provided by the command to see the speed and other details of each memory module. The system has provided us with essential details about our memory sticks. I'll guide you through each output to help you understand what we're looking at. Capacity. The memory size is given in bytes, and in this case, it's equivalent to 16 gigabytes. To convert bytes to gigabytes, you need to divide the value by 1024 3 times, which will give you the size in gigabytes. Device locator. This indicates the physical location or slot on the motherboard where the memory module is installed. This helps you identify the specific memory stick when working with multiple modules in your system. Form factor. This indicates the type of memory stick that is compatible with your motherboard. Common form factors for RAM include DIMM that are used in desktop computers, and so DIMM used in laptops. Manufacturer. G.Skill, the company that produced the memory module. Memory type. In this case, the value is reported as 0, which is not accurate. It should actually be reported as 26, but for some reason, it's not displaying correctly. Regardless, this value represents the type of memory used in the module, such as DDR4 or DDR3. Part number. It is a crucial piece of information as it represents the specific model of the memory module. Knowing the exact model number is essential because it allows us to determine the appropriate speed at which the RAM should operate, ensuring optimal performance. Speed. 3600 MHz, the actual operating frequency of the memory module. Troubleshooting RAM speed primarily involves focusing on the part number and speed. However, if you require assistance from someone knowledgeable about PCs, providing all the available information about your memory module will make it easier for them to help you effectively. With the part number of my G.Skill memory modules, for example, it's easy to see that they should operate at a maximum speed of 3600 MHz. When using XMP profiles, and that C16 indicates the cache latency of the memory, also known as CL. For example, if the command prompt output displays a part number like this, and upon searching it on Google, you find that the memory module should have a speed of 3200 MHz. But if the command prompt shows a lower speed, it means that you're not currently utilizing your computer's full potential and the XMP profile is not enabled in the BIOS for your RAM. To resolve this issue and optimize your system's performance, you need to enable the XMP profile for your memory modules. This way, you can ensure that your PC is running at its maximum capacity and speed. Now you know how to check the RAM speed and additional details in Windows 11 using both the Task Manager and command prompt methods. This information will allow you to assess your system's performance or make adjustments in the BIOS, such as enabling Intel XMP profile or AMD DOCP profiles. If you're ever unsure about the correct speed for your RAM, you can always use Google to help. Simply type your RAM's part number into the search bar and you should find information about the intended speeds and other specifications for that specific memory module. Just remember to follow proper guidelines and precautions when adjusting RAM settings to avoid potential issues with your system. If you ever experience a sudden drop in your computer's performance, it's always a good idea to double check your RAM speed and ensure that the XMP or DOCP profile is still enabled. By doing this, you can quickly identify and resolve any issues related to your memory running at a lower speed than intended, thus restoring your system's performance to its full potential. Keeping an eye on your RAM settings and being proactive about addressing any changes can make a significant difference in the overall performance and stability of your computer, especially when using AMD Ryzen CPUs. Now, let's transition to a more advanced and comprehensive tool called Hardware Info 64. This program is superior to both the Windows Command Prompt and Task Manager as it provides more detailed and extensive information about your computer's hardware components, including RAM. It supports a wide range of hardware, ensuring compatibility with most systems, and is regularly updated to keep up with the latest hardware releases. This makes it a reliable and accurate tool for monitoring your system's hardware specifications and performance. To download Hardware Info, simply click on the link provided in the description below. I personally recommend using the portable version, which is what I always use. The portable version has the advantage of not requiring any installation on your computer, making it easy to use on multiple systems without leaving any traces. Additionally, it allows you to keep the program on a USB flash drive, so you can have it readily available whenever you need it. Once you've downloaded the portable version of Hardware Info 64, it offers two main modes: Summary and Sensor Only. The Summary mode provides an overview of all your system's hardware components, presenting the information in an organized and easy-to-read manner. This mode is perfect for getting a quick snapshot of your system's specifications. On the other hand, the Sensor Only mode focuses on monitoring real-time data from various sensors, such as temperatures, voltages, and fan speeds. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the summary mode, and I will create another video that goes more in depth into troubleshooting and monitoring with the sensor-only mode. One of the significant advantages of using Hardware Info is the wealth of information it offers compared to other built-in tools. Not only does it display your RAM speed and part number, but it also reveals other crucial details such as memory timings, manufacturer, and even the memory rank. This additional information can be helpful when troubleshooting compatibility issues, optimizing your memory settings, or planning future upgrades. Additionally, Hardware Info covers various hardware components like your CPU, GPU, motherboard, storage devices, and peripherals, providing you with a complete snapshot of your system's status and capabilities. This makes it an invaluable tool for diagnosing potential issues, optimizing performance, and keeping an eye on the health of your PC. In Hardware Info, you'll find several main sections that provide valuable information for troubleshooting and optimizing your computer. These sections include CPU. This section displays detailed information about your processor, such as its make, model, core count, clock speeds, temperatures, and power usage. It also reveals the CPU's supported features and technologies, which can be helpful when determining compatibility with specific software or hardware components. Motherboard. Here, you'll find information about your system's motherboard, including its make, model, BIOS version, and chipset. This section is crucial when you're planning to upgrade your system or troubleshoot hardware compatibility issues. Memory. The memory section offers in-depth information about your RAM modules, such as their speed, part number, manufacturer, capacity, and memory timings. This section is essential for diagnosing performance issues, verifying that your memory is running at its optimal settings, and ensuring that you have the correct memory modules for your system. GPU. This section provides information about your graphics card, including the make, model, memory capacity, clock speeds, temperatures, and driver version. It also shows the supported graphics technologies and features, which can help you determine if your GPU is compatible with specific games or applications. Operating system. The operating system section shows details about your Windows installation, such as the version, build, and edition. It also reveals any critical updates and patches that have been installed, which can be useful when troubleshooting software-related issues. Hard drives. In this section, you'll find information about your storage devices, including their make, model, capacity, interface, and health status. This information is crucial when diagnosing storage-related issues, such as slow performance, data corruption, or drive failures. By exploring these main sections in this program, you'll gain valuable insights into your system's hardware components, which can help you troubleshoot problems, optimize performance, and plan future upgrades. In conclusion, using tools like Task Manager, Command Prompt, and Hardware Info 64 can significantly help you ensure that your PC is running at its best. By checking your RAM speed, identifying any issues, and providing detailed information about your system's components. Ensuring that your RAM is working at its optimal speed is crucial for overall system performance, particularly in gaming and other resource-intensive tasks. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and it has provided you with valuable insights into managing and optimizing your RAM. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next one.